What is goody, my people? We are back again with another gem. Listen, today I'm going to be super transparent with you guys. I'm going to be basically like a freaking glass window with y'all. A lot of people ask me all the time, what are my different streams of income? Because most of the time I only talk about my crypto streams of income, but I do a lot of freaking things. So today I'm going to be going all of my main sources of income. And not only that, I'm not even just being that transparent. I'm going to show you guys how much I actually make every single month at 22 years old. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the post notification bell so you can be notified whenever we drop these gems. Because honestly, every video I drop is a certified gem, and you're gonna want to be notified whenever I drop them, because if you miss them, just imagine you missing the birth of your first child. You know what I'm saying? Imagine you missing the last day to say goodbye to your grandma. Imagine you missing the chance to win $100 million from someone on Instagram that said the first person to double tap their picture gets $100 million. Imagine you missing all of that, and none of that would even compare to you missing one of my videos. So hit the post notification bell, and let's just hop right into this. Wait. Before we hop into the video, I do have to tell you guys, my CritFi Academy is back open. I closed enrollments for it for a little while. We upgraded the website. A bunch of upgrades have went into it. I'm actually in the process of shooting more videos to put into the academy right now. We've had some great feedback. There's literally a whole page on the website. I'll throw some up on the screen of just testimonies already that people have been making money with the course and loving the course. Basically what it is, it's a crypto and DeFi academy that teaches everything you need to know about crypto or DeFi, whether you know absolutely nothing about it, like you some old grandma that doesn't even know how to use her computer correctly, or you're somebody that's already in crypto. Everything that I teach in there is very easy to understand. It's also great for advanced people. It shows you how I was able to flip freaking $1,000 or $1,500 into over like $130,000 with one trade. And I've done this multiple different times. So if that's something that interests you, it teaches about technical analysis, all that stuff. Link inside the description, critfiacademy.com. Get tapped in, man. All right, so I'm about to hop into the different streams of income, but I highly suggest you go follow me on Instagram at Joovier_. It's literally right over there. Like, that is the place to be. I can't make a video every freaking second of the day, but I'm on my Instagram story all the time, posting about different streams of income, stuff that can help you guys. I go live sometimes breaking down charts, showing y'all different trades I'm hopping in, all this different type of stuff. So I highly suggest you go follow me on Instagram over there at Joovier_. But my first stream of income is something that I have talked about, is these little dudes right here. You know what I'm saying? I sell do-rags. That was my first business I ever created. I've been doing it since 2017, I believe. I made a video on my YouTube channel kind of showing you guys how I was able to build that brand and start that brand. But it is at kind of the bottom of my list as of right now because I did stop doing ads on it. All of the money that's generated is strictly from my YouTube channel or word of mouth or referrals. And as of last month, I made a total of $2,800. Now, that's not a whole bunch of money, but that is the net profit. That's not the amount of sales I've had. That's the profit. The sales is obviously higher than that, but that's the amount that I pocketed and took away. That's going to be kind of the whole template that we're going with for all these videos. I'm not going to show you guys like what the numbers were. I'm going to show you guys what I actually took back. Because if I say my business made $1 million, but I only took back $100, I didn't make $1 million. I only made $100. So net profit, $2,800 on my do-rag brand. Next is something that I honestly just got back into. I used to do it a lot if you guys follow me on Instagram, but Forex trading. Now, I don't really trade the regular markets. I don't trade like GBP, JPY. I don't trade Euro GBP or Euro USD. I trade crypto. So I basically leverage trade crypto. The main currency I trade is Ethereum. Right now, I'm actually in a trade right now, and I'm up. If I look on my phone, I'm only up, if you can see. I don't know if you can see. It's going to be blurry. I don't know. But right now, I'm up almost $200 on this trade right here, and I literally just got in it. But as of right now, I am racking in $4,000 every single month. Well, last month, I got $4,000. Keep in mind, I only traded for like half of the month, and I was really just playing with a little bit of money. But $4,000 I was able to make with Forex trading. Now, keep in mind, all the strategies that I use with Forex trading is in the CritFi Academy. So if that's something that interests you, another shameless plug. All right, this next stream of income is something that I just started. I honestly personally love it. It really takes not a lot of time at all, and that is sports betting. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sports betting is gambling. Literally everything I do is gambling. Any type of investing is gambling. But there's strategies when it comes to sports betting. I'm not going to say I'm the best at sports betting. I probably suck because all I do, I'm in this chat. My friend has a chat. If you want to join the chat, it'll be linked inside the description. I'll also put it inside the comments. But it's basically a chat. They tell you what to bet. You plug them numbers in and you hit. I don't know how it works. I just know that I have more money than I went in it with. And I have a lot more freaking money. I started upping the amount that I was betting on each thing. And I started making like a good amount of money. Of course, you do lose bets, but the win rate is high enough that you're still profitable at the end of the week. I'm not saying every day is profitable, but at the end of the week, I've been profitable. And as of the past month, I've been able to make $12,400. Comes out to really roughly, I kind of estimated that one because I couldn't go back and see all my transactions, but I know I'm usually doing over $400, but there are times when I did lose $400 a day, sorry. But there are times when I did lose, so I kind of just brought it all the way down to $400 per day, which comes out to $12,400 per month off of sports betting. It's a very fun little thing. It really takes no work. I literally go inside the chat. Like I said, if you want to join the chat, link will be inside the description if that's something that would interest you. I'm actually going to go on live on Instagram too today to talk about sports betting. So Instagram @Joovier_. But I literally just go inside the chat, see what they tell you to bet on. Go bet on the games. I've never watched baseball before in my life, but for some reason it's paying me out $1,200 every couple of days. Baseball, tennis, basketball, all that freaking stuff. I just copy and paste what they say, put the bets in, and get freaking rich. So that is another $12,400 every single month from sports betting. So my fourth stream of income is actually affiliate marketing. Now, basically what that is, it's just like referral links. It's if you look inside my description, sometimes I have certain referral links for maybe like Coinbase or Webull or whatever it is. And this amount of money that I'm going to tell you is basically how much I make on average. Well, it's actually how much I made last month on referrals. And the number is $4,280. That's basically just if I put a link inside my description and you guys end up clicking on that link, or anybody ends up clicking on the link, whether it be from Instagram, YouTube, or whatever, I get a percentage of the sales just for driving traffic towards those companies. So if you have a following, that is something that you can actually get started into. You don't even need a huge following. Really, it's better if you have a small following because it's more intimate, so people more so trust what you're saying. With somebody with 10 million subscribers, their conversion rate is not as high as somebody that would have 1,000 followers that actually are engaged in their posts. So affiliate marketing is another good stream of income if you find a product that you like promoting and you know your viewers can benefit from it. Definitely get into affiliate marketing because you're doing no work except for making people click on your link. So that's another over $4,000 every single month that I make from affiliate marketing. All right, so now to the crypto side of kind of my income, right? And I'm going to talk about like the crypto trading as in flipping coins at this point, or holding coins and selling it for a higher price. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Most of the time, I do not even take profit on these, as in I don't like sell these coins and put it into my bank account. I'll take profit and then just keep it inside my portfolio to grow my portfolio. But most of the time, I don't take them out into my bank account, but I will do a little bit of a like guesstimation of this one, as well, not even guesstimation, theoretical. I don't know what the word is, but hypothetical, that's what it is. Got my thinking cap on today. But it's a bear market right now. If you've been looking at the markets, it's a lot of red. Most coins are going down. We're not seeing a lot of big green pumps. We're not seeing some huge highs and stuff like that. So I really have not been trading that much, as in buying coins and flipping them. But I did go in for a trade last, I want to say like 3 weeks ago. I put it on for my Patreon. It's just ApeCoin. I don't know if you heard of it. I bought a little bit of it. I leverage traded ApeCoin a little bit, held it, and I was able to make $10,000 off of that trade. So we'll just pocket that $10,000 and say I pocketed that $10,000. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, in a regular market, or really even a bear market, if I really focused on flipping coins, I've made upwards of over $100,000 flipping coins. Probably more than that in a month span, depending on what the market's like and depending how much time I put into it. So we're just gonna mark crypto trading, or buying and holding crypto coins, as another $10,000 addition to how much I make on a monthly basis. Speaking of Patreon, that is actually my next source of income that I'm going to talk about. Now, my Patreon is basically, it's a group of a whole bunch of cool people. Honestly, you sign up for it. If you sign up for my Patreon, you get access to all the coins I hold. Whenever I'm buying a coin, whenever I'm selling a coin, whenever I take profit on a coin, that is what my Patreon is. You also get access to the Discord server, which is just full of a bunch of people that are in crypto. You can network in there. You can make friends. We always be chit chat. You know what I'm saying? We always be crying when the market's down. It's just a cool family. That's basically what my Patreon is, but it is another income for me. And as of right now, I have to look at it over here. Patreon last month, it pays you on the first of every month. So last month I made $8,456 off of my Patreon. And that's minus all the transaction fees and everything. That's exactly what got deposited into my bank account on the beginning of this month. So that's another upwards of $8,000 to add to how much I make on a monthly basis. All right, so the next stream of income I'm going to talk about is my course sales. If you did not know, I just released the course last month on the 11th of May. It's been doing very well. People have been loving it. People have been learning from it. Like I said, you can go to cryptoacademy.com. There's a whole testimonials page. You can just scroll through there and see what people are saying already about the course. But obviously that has brought me in income. And since it's been released, which is, I think, it's almost been a month. In 3 days, it'll be a month since the course was released. It has generated me $18,000. So I've had $18,000 worth of course sales the first month of it coming out. So that is something that I can add to my whole monthly, how much I make on a monthly basis type of thing. This feels very weird, kind of like showing you guys or telling you guys how much I make. I feel like a lot of people are scared to do this. I never minded. Like, I would be the type of person to ask a random person, how much do you make? You know what I'm saying? And people be so like, don't ask somebody how much they make. I don't think it's like a bragging thing. I don't think it's like a testing your pockets thing. I just think it's just information. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's okay, you make $1 million. Okay, you make $5,000. Okay, you make $100. Like, it's just something that you do. You know what I'm saying? But I don't even know why I started talking about that. Let's go to the next source of income. All right, so YouTube, right? I've been doing YouTube since 2016. I first started off doing workout videos, and then I started doing entertainment videos. I started doing like funny videos, picking up girls, all this different type of stuff. Now I do financial videos. I also do like the entertainment videos on my other channel as well. But I thoroughly enjoy making these financial videos a lot more. It feels more, as you would say, fulfilling, because instead of just making people laugh, I'm able to make people money and change people's lives, which is very fulfilling. I love when people DM me and say, I just made $1,000. I just made $5,000. That just feels good to me. You know what I'm saying? But YouTube varies a lot. Honestly, it has a very large range. It could be anywhere from like 15,000 all the way up to like 50,000 or 60,000 or whatever it is. But I just decided to do like an average number of like $27,000. So that's what I put here to add to my monthly income. Of course, it could be a lot more than that. And of course, it can also be less than that. But we're just going to go with $27,500 every single month from YouTube. All right, so for my last and final source of income, we're going to be talking about passive income from crypto. Now, if you've been following my channel, it's no surprise to you that I have a bunch of different streams of passive income in cryptocurrency. I've talked about a lot of the platforms. I've talked about a lot of the protocols. I've showed you guys how much I make in all of them. But it is a bear market, so the amount has went down, but it still is a pretty decent amount that I do pocket every single month. And that number is $35,000 every single month from crypto passive income. That's how much I pocketed last month, actually. If prices keep going down, that obviously can go down a lot. But if prices go back up or even stabilize, I could be making upwards of over $100,000 every single month from crypto passive income. But last month I did make around $35,000. So that's what will kind of write that down as. All right, so that is all the streams of income that I am going to go over. Although if we add up all those 8, 9, 10, whatever, however many streams of income it was, we get a pretty nice number. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I don't do this very often. I don't do this every month, as in calculate how much I made the previous month, just due to the fact that I feel like I don't have to. I do it pretty periodically just to make sure I'm growing and making like more money or making enough money to sustain everything I need to sustain. But if we add up all the numbers, the amount that I made in 1 month comes out to $122,436. Now, hopefully this video didn't come off as braggadocious or bragging. Is braggadocious a word? I don't freaking know. Hopefully y'all don't think I'm bragging because I don't know you. Why would I brag? I'd have no, what is bragging gonna do for me? You know what I'm saying? I'm not the type of person to brag, so hopefully it didn't come off as bragging. I just want this to be more of like a motivational thing where it's like, okay, this dude, he looked like a regular dude. He wearing a do-rag and a wife beater, you know what I'm saying? And he made this much. Hopefully it's more of like a motivational thing for people. I'm only 22 years old. I've been doing YouTube since 2016. I've had my first business since 2017. So it's been for the past like 6 years that I've really been like honing in and building myself up to get to this point. I know people that's made way more money than me in less time, and I know people that have made less money than me in this amount of time. So all I'm saying is that hopefully this is motivational to you to be like, you can do it too. You know what I'm saying? You can make way more money than me. I promise you, you can make a lot more money than me. Just focus up, you know what I'm saying? Find out something that you love doing. It's great to be able to make this amount of money from things that I personally do not mind doing at all. I don't have to wake up in the morning and be like, dang, I got to do this most of the days. Some days I don't feel like doing nothing, but most of the days I don't mind doing them at all. I actually enjoy a lot of them. So that's really the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you smash the like button. If you guys like these type of videos, or if you want me to do kind of videos diving deep into all these different streams of income, whether it be how to start my do-rag business, how to start Forex trading, how to start affiliate marketing, just let me know which one you guys want me to do, or even just say dive deeper. Just comment dive deeper down below. That's what she said. But just comment that down below, and I'll try and dive deeper into each and every one of these streams of income. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram over there at Joovier_. Like I said, stay connected. Feel free to DM me. Feel free to just get involved, because I'm always putting it on game. I'm showing y'all different streams of income. I'm showing y'all what I'm doing on a day-to-day basis. It's definitely a valuable place to be. And if you're trying to get in crypto or DeFi, or learn how to trade Forex or technical analysis, all that, cryptfiacademy.com is the link inside the description. I've also left the link for a lot of different things that I talked about today in the description, so check it out. There's a lot of things in there that can make you a lot of money. And yeah, that's really about it. Good luck on all your trades. Good luck on all your crypto. Good luck on all your different streams of income. Good luck on your OnlyFans that you're probably going to start, because I heard OnlyFans is another stream of income I need to start. My feet look pretty good, so I don't know if that's something you'd be interested in. Your girlfriend, your mom, aunt, whatever it is. But good luck on that. Wish me good luck on that too. Good luck on life as a whole, man. And I'm going to see you on the next video.